am so sorry for that. My phone ran out of data, so it quit filming. But I am so sorry about it. But anyways, we're going to do this again. Then, like I said in the last part, I am going to show you my new bike. I'm not sure if you guys have seen it yet. Probably not. But let's do a couple more runs, and then we'll see you then. Here we go. This right here is my forward. Kind of looks ugly, but those strips are the lights, the blue. These ain't the right tiles that's supposed to go on it, but still, stupid. Hey, don't mind the mess. We're still in the process of cleaning up, but look at that. Look at that suspension right there. Oh yeah, no, don't forget me. Don't mind, that's my air tester. There's one right there. Sorry, just had to turn it off. But anyways, it's a Yamaha 700 Raptor. Really nice. And this one's mine. Had to hurry up, my phone's almost dead. But here's the other. Alright, that'll be today's video. Make sure you like. Remember, like I said in the last video, if I can get to 500,000 subscribers,